Hey guys, if you're having trouble getting Facebook to work on your Google Chrome browser, maybe it's just not loading or it's not working in general, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to provide you with a few quick and easy solutions. So what we need to do is just first launch up the Google Chrome browser, and once you're inside of Chrome, we just need to head over to these three vertical dots in the right hand side, come all the way down to extensions, and then select manage extensions. Now what I'd recommend doing is to go ahead and disable all of your Chrome extensions that you currently have enabled, and to do that we can just toggle these buttons on or off. As you can see here, all of mine are currently disabled, and once you've done that, you can then try launching up the Facebook page to see if that fixes the issue. If that doesn't work, the next thing you can do is head back over to these three vertical dots, come all the way down to settings, and from the left hand side we're going to come down to reset settings, and then you're going to go ahead and just select restore settings to their original defaults. Click on reset settings to confirm, and then once again you can check to see if that's fixed the issue. Now another thing you can do from your Chrome browser, if that's still not fixed the issue, is just to come back over to these options, come over to clear browsing data, and then go ahead and check all of the boxes within here, and at the bottom just select clear data. The next thing you need to do is head back over to the three vertical dots, come over to settings, and then scroll all the way down to about Chrome at the bottom here, and you should have a button here to check for Google Chrome updates. Now for some reason I need to restart my computer as it's not currently working, but you should see this option come up for you, and just ensure you are running the latest version of Google Chrome, as sometimes outdated software can cause issues with our browser and other websites. And if you've tried that and it's still not working, the very last thing we can do here is come over to privacy and security from the left hand side, come down to this security tab over here, and you'll see an option over here where it says select DNS provider. Now what we're going to do is we're going to change this drop down to Google Public DNS, and this is going to connect to Google's free public DNS servers. So if that hasn't already, you can now try launching up Facebook, and that should have now fixed any issues you were experiencing. Of course, another thing you can try doing is just heading over to the three dots here and selecting new incognito window, and you can try launching Facebook from incognito, and hopefully at least one of these methods has helped fix the issue for you. If you still are experiencing a problem, then please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.